Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we are making something really special, pork and shrimp recipe with a twist, golden fried eggplants. Ready? Let's get cooking. For the first step, we're gonna heat some cooking oil into the frying pan, then cut the eggplants in half and place them gently into the pan. And then we'll let it cook for a few minutes until it is golden. Next step, we'll flip each eggplant on the other side and repeat the same process. Also let each eggplant cook for a few minutes. Once fully cooked, put the eggplants in a plate and set them aside for later. Now we're switching into flavor building mode. In an empty frying pan, heat up some fresh cooking oil, toss in some thinly sliced garlic and stir that for that irresistible aroma. Once the garlic starts to brown slightly, then add your sliced onions. Make sure to stir them well together until the onions soften and release their natural sweetness. Now for the next step, add the sliced tomatoes, then stir. Okay, next we'll add our star of the show, which is the pieces of pork. Make sure to add them into the pan and give everything a good mix. And then we'll cover it up and let the magic happen for a few minutes. You know it's ready when the pork turns a beautiful golden color and starts to release its juices. Okay, now it's seasoning time. First, make sure to stir your pork to make sure all the flavors are infused. Then we're about to get ready for the next step. So we'll add one tablespoon of ground pepper to add that umami packed twist. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of salted shrimp for a bold flavor. Give everything a stir to coat everything. Again, make sure to take your time. It requires patience, but trust us, it's worth it. Now add 4 cups of water, enough to bring all the flavors together. The broth will be infused with amazing flavors. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, the wait is almost over. We're almost done. We're just adding our final touches. So for this next part, we'll add some kick to it. Okay, we'll add some sliced green chilies for a hint of heat. Then we'll add our golden fried eggplants to the pan. Next, we'll sprinkle half a teaspoon of umami seasoning to amplify the flavor. Now give everything one last stir and let it cook for a few minutes. The eggplants will soak up the broth, making every bite a burst of flavor. And just like that, our dish is ready to serve. Wow, look at that. It looks amazing already. Good job, well done. And that's it everyone. Our pork and shrimp recipe with golden eggplant is done and looking absolutely irresistible. The tender pork, the savory broth, and those crispy juicy eggplants come together perfectly. Trust us, it's amazing. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Stay tuned. Cheers. Thank you.